11. Of course, there's exceptions to that, but as a beginner, you won't notice them, I promise you. I've been doing this for years now, over 6 years, and it's like something that you'll notice there's not huge changes in that. And that's true about Python as well. There are some minor changes that are really good, and those are the things we'll actually talk about very early on in this series. Next, we're going to be using getbootstrap.com. This is our front-end web framework. This is going to make our site look good. It's not like Angular or something like that. It is just really, so much of it is about HTML and CSS. So if you're not familiar with those concepts, I do recommend that you check them out more, but we will do everything step by step, so you'll see exactly how to implement this in your project, even if you don't really know HTML and CSS. But again, you're going to want to get familiar with those things because they are fundamental for web development. And those specifically are for web design. Finally, we're going to be using Sublime Text as our text editor. This is where we write our code. And all of this code will be available online for you to see. We'll talk about that later. But basically, you're going to be using text editor similar to like you would use Microsoft Word to write a document. You're going to use Sublime Text to write your code. It just makes it easier. Now, if you go back to our tech post, you'll see that there are absolutely other options for text editors. So don't worry if you aren't using Sublime Text. You can use whichever version you like. We just use Sublime Text because we like it a lot. Okay, so with all that stuff out of the way, let's actually get our project started. And we're going to be going off of creating a blank Django project here. Now, again, this is a reference. This is something that you can use all the time going forward, and we'll do our best to update and upgrade it based on your comments on this page itself.